Yo, talk to me nice. Stop. I have another hair video for y'all. I got a sleigh kit from Slay Crochet. Look how dope the packaging is. Like, slay queen, I love that. How empowering is that? Yes. So in the kit, they literally give you everything that you need to complete the style. Like I said, it has everything that you need to complete the style. First is a note that tells you what your box includes. And on the back of that note, it gives you a quick guide on how to complete the style. There is a latch hook in the box. There's silver clips that you can use when braiding your hair down. There's also these beautiful jewels that you can use to accessorize your hairstyle at the end. There's also a satin-lined bonnet. And inside of this black satin bag are the 7 bundles or packs of the crochet hair. This is definitely a color. This is going to be a look. I can't wait. So here we go. Just a quick note here, my natural hair was not cooperating when I was braiding my hair down. But for the braid pattern, I did the full individual look and cornrows straight back. So this is where one pack gets you. One of the bundles. On to the next. Here I'm doing the regular crochet method. You take the latch hook, place it underneath or onto the cornrow. Take the crochet hair and latch it onto the hook and pull it through. So this is what 5 packs will get you. It's looking nice and full. And just wait till I do my edges, honey. So this is the finished product. I really love it. In total, I used 6 packs of hair. I used a little bit less than 6 packs of hair total. And there's one more bundle left. So I have enough to do touch-ups or whatever. So I ended up adding some jewels. Look out. Okay, look how cute that is. But overall, I really love this hair. Like, I was really nervous about red because I've never done that color before. But I really like this hair on me. I think it's super cute. And also with the sleigh kit, I thought that was just genius. And it makes install super quick. It makes cleanup super quick because everything is nice and neat and you can just pack it all the way back into the box. But I also love how it comes with jewels. I think that is so dope. That's such a great idea. I also like how lightweight this hair is. It doesn't feel like much on my head. And although I do go for fuller looks, like in the past with old hairstyles, I could feel the weight, like my neck would hurt sometimes. I feel like with this hair, since it's so lightweight, I can snatch this up easily into a bun and not feel like I'm about to tip over, okay? I love how there's enough for touch-ups, like this is a good amount of hair. I love the size of these. I think it's the perfect size. You know what I mean? How it's like chunky, but it's not bulky. That's what I really appreciate about it. Overall, I would 100% recommend Slay Crochet.